infinity and beyond!
So, we meet again, Buzz Lightyear.
Welcome back. I hope that you are well.
I am.
And I know you miss me so much.
Say that again.
As we said last time, civil engineering presents a paramount field in our lives. But it faces various challenges, particularly in construction and preservation. Ensuring the safety of workers, the public, and the structures being constructed is a primary concern for civil engineers. This includes preventing accidents, complying with regulations, and maintaining high safety standards.
It's exhausting.
Addressing environmental issues and ensuring that construction activities comply with regulations to protect the environment are key challenges for civil engineers. The push towards sustainable infrastructure and the impact of climate change present significant challenges for civil engineers. Managing construction projects in areas prone to hurricanes, earthquakes, or heavy rainfall requires robust planning, execution, and the integration of innovative and eco-friendly solutions. The maintenance of existing infrastructure is a pressing challenge, requiring the development of effective strategies to prolong the lifespan of structures and minimize environmental impact. Ensuring that civil engineers are well trained and equipped to address modern challenges, including the integration of new technologies and sustainable practices, is a crucial aspect of the field.
Good luck with that.
The rapid evolution of technology in the construction industry requires civil engineers to stay abreast of advancements and adapt to new tools and methods. These challenges underscore the multifaceted nature of civil engineering and the need of continuous innovation, adaptation, and a strong focus on safety, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. We're going to meet 3 civil engineers and look at some of the real ways that they are helping communities right now.
This is my office. We're here for DC Water, working on the Clean Rivers project. This project is intended to eliminate sewer overflows into the DC waterways, which ultimately go down to the Chesapeake Bay. So we're cleaning up the rivers. Right now we're working on a deep tunnel. It's called the Blue Plains Tunnel. And this is going to capture stormwater underground and allow that to be treated later after a big rain event. Civil engineering is it's a fantastic profession. It really deals with engineering all of the world around us. There's infrastructure on the surface, things that people see and use every day, like roadways, bridges, things of that nature. Then there's also a tremendous amount of civil engineering below the surface that no one ever sees. And that's what we're dealing with here. In my view, that's one of the best parts of civil engineering is working on the underground side, and it's so much fun. I never imagined I'd be able to work on something this cool, but I always had an interest in big projects. I love being a part of it. It's a great mission. Come to work every day excited to do this, and we can't wait to see the end result of all the hard work. My name's James, and I'm a civil engineer.
This is the first roof in the world that was designed for a Category 5 hurricane. It weighs roughly 7,800 tons of steel, and it was actually designed to be positioned in a slightly open position for the hurricanes to let wind into the space and then back out to decrease the wind pressure on the roof. The mechanization is very efficient. It's designed so it only costs about $10 in electricity to move the roof open and close. So early on in the design, we tried to establish what the minimum height of the roof over the playing field actually is. So we scoured the internet and found some equations that are put out by NASA, I believe, for the flight of a batted ball. And through those equations, you can actually calculate the flight of the batted ball at all different angles of the ball leaving the bat. So if it goes straight up in the air, it goes straight horizontally, or it's some nice trajectory of a line drive. And so we actually created those shapes early on and put them over the playing field to make sure that the shape of the roof that was above the playing field would never come in contact with a batted ball. We really interact with a lot of people. So there's a common conception that engineers just kind of go in their office and work by themselves doing calculations, but that couldn't be further from the truth. I'm Aaron White, and I'm a civil engineer.
Hello, my name is Billy Scott. I'm in in-house design section 3. I'm a roadway engineer for FDOT. What I feel like my job is to have fun, I guess in a sense, but in all honesty, it's to design roads with to meet FDOT criteria. So I start the day planning about like what my day needs to be. Most of the time it's me looking at CAD software, like for the stuff that I'm designing. CAD is computer aided design. Aided or automated. I guess one big misconception is like engineers are like people who just like hide in a desk and don't talk to people. There's a lot of talking. You get to meet a lot of different people. You get to know a lot of people, especially in DOT, where you talk and coordinate with different departments. Roads require a lot of work and a lot of people working behind it. So that's the one good thing. You get to develop your teamwork skills, your speaking skills. Because we also do have public meetings. We do meet with the cities, or I guess stakeholders also, to discuss the project. So yeah, if people talk about engineers don't talk at all, yeah, it's a completely different story here. When you actually see your road being built, it's a nice feeling. I love helping people in a sense, and you know, something that has to do with like public development, that pulls me towards that. One positive for engineering, right, is when you do a public meeting and you see the smiles on people's faces of like the roadway improvements, or you see children walking to school safely on the sidewalk that probably wouldn't be there if we didn't put a focus on ADA improvement. It puts a smile to my face.
So tell me more about why you decided to go into this field.
You don't want the actual answer to that. You do not want the actual answer. I flipped coins. Like I flipped coins. I had like a coin battle where like I had like different jobs and I just kept flipping in a tournament to see who would win, and engineer won.
What was it between?
Ooh, there was like 10. There was chef, teacher, doctor, psychiatrist, dentist. I forgot the other ones. Those were like the main ones. I forgot the other ones, but yeah, there was a decent amount.
I will leave you now with some successful projects built in recent years by civil engineers.
Responsible for this!
Well, it's a civil engineer. And with that, the video comes to an end.
No!
I know. I will miss you too. But don't worry, there is more projects coming soon. Goodbye.
All right, that's it.
See you later, building.